If you're in the back seat of a Tesla Cybertruck in some sort of emergency situation, or with no power, then you better start praying, because getting out won't be easy. Unfortunately, the emergency release mechanism was not well thought out. For the rear two doors of the truck, one need to remove the rubber mat at the bottom of the rear door's map pocket. Then you've got to unlatch a small plastic flap. Finally, you've got to pull a small release cable forward. In the unlikely event that Cybertruck has no power, you will not be able to open the doors from the interior by pressing the interior door open buttons. Instead, use the manual door releases. Just imagine the Cybertruck you're in has lost power and is on fire. You've got to get out really quickly, but the door popper isn't working and the emergency release is buried deep in the door pocket. How is the driver going to explain all of that to you while the truck is up in flames?